Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A15s, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, and from here, once it shows up the options, there we go, swipe down to power it off, and when the device turns off, all you need to do is simply hold the power key and volume down at the same time. Once you see the recovery mode at the bottom, you can let go of the keys and wait for the device to boot into the said recovery mode. Now once it does boot into it, it will first give us language selection, as you can see right over here. So simply tap on the language that you wish to use, and this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. Now in here we can install updates from storage, do an online update, wipe data, reboot, or power off the device. Now under wipe data we have two options. Let me just quickly confirm the code. There we go. So as you can see, we have wipe data and format data. Now the wipe data seems to not really wipe data based on the message that it retains contacts, messages, and photos. I would consider that to be data, and apparently it keeps it. So it's basically useless. But format data will do the trick if you're planning to factory reset your device. So anyway, that's basically all you can find in here, and to leave this mode, all you would need to do is either select power off or reboot, which reboot will take you straight back to Android. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.